This is a small comparison video between this is a GT3582 maxpeedingrods turbo. This is a GT3582r maxpeedingrods turbo. This is the 90 quid one, the one big people get hold of. Unfortunately, it doesn't like being abused. I abused the hell out of this one. As you can see by the housing in there. Launch control, flat shifting, and sitting doing pops and bangs in car parks and things, shooting flames everywhere. It does play havoc with your turbochargers. So I was a bit stupid about this one, but I wanted to build it, play with it, see how it went. So this is a Journal one. This one's what happened to be too much play in the thing. As you see, there's way too much play. I'll take this one and have a mess around with it later. You've got the cast impeller wheel on that side. The exhaust wheel on this side. This is the Oil Journal style one, which is great. Cooling passageways on it. It's a lovely build. The casings are good. They're not normally painted red, but no, I did red because red's faster, of course. Anti-surge ones, so these work really well. And you have your steel housing. Yeah, the new one. Put this aside for a second so I don't knock all things over. Yeah, no, I could have banned it. How do I stay? So, this one is stainless steel. So high temperatures and things. And this is the housing. So, off here. This is a lot better. Here we have a CNC'd compressor pulley. Compressor wheel, I should say. It's ball bearing. It's dual ceramic ball bearings. This thing, it spins over like it's glass. You can move it with your fingertip and it just glides over. These are ones that are just, they're basically a clone of a Turbo Technics turbo. Made on the Turbo Technics machines. They're balanced on the Turbo Technics Fierce machines in China when they bought them from the UK. These are lovely made things. This one's in here. It's got a few scrapes and things in places where obviously manufacturing. Still not, I mean, it's all not polished, but that's good. This one's going on my MR2 for lots of fun and lots of boost. It comes with, let's see, I'll just definitely put that back in there like that. And include an oil restrictor with a dual ceramic ball bearing turbos. So that go on. And I'll put it back together. Now I'm not going to use my housings. I didn't use that housing and I didn't use that one. What I've done is taken a very early one of these I had and I modified it and I welded the flange onto the manifold, but only after I port matched everything and followed it and perfectly smooth. So it's no gaps, there's no joins. I mean, like Elon Musk went on about the perfect flanges, no flange at all. So, yeah, it spins up really nice. 2 litre engine, really fast this thing along. And of course, then you've got the screamer pipe out the top. So, yeah. It's just so nice. That's going to spin up so well. And considering the price of things like the Owen Development turbos and Garrett turbos and Triple K turbos and things, these are still cheap. This is under £400 shipped, and you get this sort of build. So, yeah, it's about to go in when the rain stops messing me around, and I can get in the workshop with it.